Hey everyone, happy Monday. Today I'm at our old house, getting ready to have it cleaned out, and I know a lot of people want to see a tour of it empty, so let's go inside. Okay, here is my old home, all empty. Maybe some echoing going on here. So here's the formal living room. You can see how big it is with no furniture in it. It's huge. Step down here. So I had my hutch over there and an armoire over there and my other hutch over here. Okay. Then you come this way and here's the dining room. All right, then we're gonna go into the kitchen, family room area. So it's a little dark in here. Let's go ahead and turn this light on. All right, let's back up. Okay, here's my kitchen. You know, I'm really going to miss those niches up there because I don't have a lot of space above the cabinets to decorate. But you know what? In my new breakfast nook, I'm going to do this exact same treatment here with the wallpaper. And I'm going to use it somewhere else in the house too. Little surprise. Fortunately, I won't be able to make my island look like this again with the beadboard, but I have another idea to use. Okay, this is the family room off the kitchen and the fireplace. Then you go this way down the hallway. That door right there in front is out to the garage. We won't go in there. And this is the study with the deck off of it. And this study is, of course, much nicer than the one that we're getting at the new home because it's technically like a office/bedroom since it has a window and a big closet in it. So they didn't make it look like an actual office. And this is the powder room area. So kind of hard to get in here with anything. That's it. And this was the laundry room. I am getting a little bit bigger of a laundry room because it does have like a little mud area off of it. Okay, this is cabinet. I'm just gonna double check in here. My husband said he got everything out, but you never know. Double check. Okay. Don't see anything. All right. So now I'm gonna come back this way. This goes down to the basement, so we're gonna head down here really quick. I really miss this wideness of the stairs. Our new house has much narrower stairs, so. Okay. So this is the family room down here in the basement, and this is the bar area. Yeah, my husband used this as an extra workout area because the bedroom down here wasn't super big, and we used it as his workout room. I was going to use this for something else, but at least at the new house, I got my own room that I can do some stuff in. So this is the other bedroom. This is the 5th bedroom in the house. And it has a pretty good sized closet. And we took the carpet out and put the mats down because this was his workout room. And then it has an attached bath. Here, a 3/4 bath. And then of course it goes out to the hallway for everybody to use. And this is the old storage room here. Let's check it out. So I had this section to work with. I didn't have too much over here because we had our dry sauna all leaning up against this area. We never did. We were going to put it over here in this area, and we never did get it installed. We are going to definitely get it installed at the new house. And then I had all these nice shelves. My husband is going to build some shelves for me. Probably not as tall as these because I don't really like them this tall. But we have that big, huge, long wall. I got 2 big shelf units to put in there, and then he's going to build some shelves like that. All right, so shut this door. I don't have that paint. Then we're going to go upstairs. All right, now we're back up to the main level. Okay. Now we're going to head all the way upstairs to the bedrooms. Check it out. Okay. So this first room here, my husband used as an office. See, carpet needs to be cleaned really bad here. And this has the Jack and Jill bath in here. Here. This was the guest bedroom. Okay. And it has a nice good sized walk-in closet. Turn some lights on here. And this was my craft room. Okay, and it has its own bath. All right. Okay, let's head back downstairs. Okay, we're gonna head down the stairs here. And we'll just go out the front now. And we'll do a quick tour of the yard. And let's kind of go up like this. See all the details that this entryway has real quick. Okay. Let's go ahead and head out to the front porch. Well, we're going to check out the outside here really quick. You might be able to see we got a couple deer. Looks like a mama and one of the babies laying over here. Now, I thought I was getting away from the deer because I didn't really see any, but I did see some there the other day. So, and I did met the neighbor across the street, and he says, yes, there are deer, and they've been in his backyard. So, I said, I haven't seen any in my yard yet, but still have the deer out there. At least we don't have, most of the bunnies. Don't have as much of the wildlife here. It's funny how close you can get to them here. Because I'm not zooming my camera, so. But I'll leave them alone. See, we still got some snow left over from that snowstorm. And made the grass nice and green. We'll walk back here. We did winterize the pond. So you're not going to be getting to hear the pond here and see the waterfall. As you can see, that little snowstorm we had, about 6 inches we got here, killed pretty much all of our fall color. This tree was looking really nice. It gets an orangey red. So yeah, you can see things already lost their leaves, and some of the flowers got a little, like the snapdragons here, they didn't fare too well. Looks like some of it's coming back to life though down here. That's the funny part. You'll get things dying out here from it, but then if you look down down here, you can see that there's some green again. You know, I can't remember what these flowers are, but these do great over the winter, and they get pretty yellow flowers on it, and I've never seen them again. Okay, let's kind of go down here. Like I said, the waterfall is not running anymore. Oh. Yeah, you come over here and put the lid back on here. Oh, okay. My husband came over yesterday and did the pond. Just gonna, put the lid back on here. So you gotta take the pump out and store it in the garage. So, like I said, lots of stuff. And this grass was really pretty. It gets red in it. It was really nice looking. Like I said, that snow kind of killed all the fall color here. You get those early snows. Yes, let's go. So I don't know if I've ever really gone on this side of the property. Go This is the north side of the property. It's just mainly rocks. A few trees, and that tree was really pretty too. And you can see it's all crunchy now. Yeah, we have all this section here in the back. And back this way. Oh my goodness. So the evergreens are still pretty. Okay, and then we have the upper deck up here. All right, let's head back up. I'm really missing my wraparound porch, I gotta tell you. I only have a very small porch at the new house. It's covered. And I gotta figure out how to get my sofa and chairs on it and my little bistro table too. So, a lot to try to get on it. All right, head back out this way. And we'll go more to the front of the house. And our new crabapple tree out there, it got hit too. It was just starting to change color too, so kind of sucks. Didn't get to see the pretty fall color of that. Let's kind of go over here. It's a little windy today. Okay, so this is that new area that we had done. We had those nasty bushes out, and it looks like some of the daisies here were surviving at the bottom there. Not too bad. And the lilacs didn't fare too well either. Yeah. This is it for the outside. So, and then we do just have a few things out here. Those ones are really kicking up now. Lots of leaves. Alright. Well, that is it for the home tour here. And come back over here and look at the deer again. Now, I've just been so busy. I'll do another video letting you guys know, all the fun we've had with this move. It's been like the worst one we've ever had. I think this is like our 7th move. So I'll let everybody know here in the next few days. I'll do a video of all of our little problems that we've been having with the new house. Nothing here, of course. It was just getting everything done before we moved in, and all the little things happening that happens. So I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I'm not sure when I'm going to have the next video, but hopefully I can have one up by Friday. So I'll see you next time.